Good morning, my educator friends. My name is Missy Bowles, and I would like to ask you a question. What am I doing? I want to give you some clues. The reason I asked that question and gave you some clues is because I want to introduce you to something that is going to draw your students in just as I drew you in by showing you the clues of the beautiful water and the beautiful campsite that I'm at today. I want to talk to you about an inductive instructional strategy called concept attainment. What is concept attainment? Concept attainment promotes student learning through a process of structured inquiry. It helps students to understand and learn concepts by identifying attributes or key features through a process of analysis, comparison, and contrasting of examples. Instead of the teacher introducing the definition through lecture and being given examples, the students are given examples and then the definition. Concept attainment results in deep understanding because it works with the way human beings instinctively learn. As we experience the world, we naturally organize things into categories based on common attributes. We identify similarities and differences. Concept attainment lessons need to be based on three simple principles. Conceptual clarity, which makes sure all the essential attributes are clearly presented in your examples and that non-examples embody only some of the attributes. Number two, multiple examples. When students see many and varied examples, they can define with increasing certainty the essential attributes of the concept. And number three, conceptual competence. A concept is learned when students can list the essential attributes of the concept and when they can use those attributes to discriminate between examples and non-examples. This is where they can design or create something that lets you know that they understand what you've taught them. How to use the strategy? There are 6 ways. Select a concept with clear, critical attributes that you want students to understand deeply. Number 2, provide students with yes examples which contain all the critical attributes of the concept, and no examples which contain some but not all of the critical attributes. Ask students to identify what all the yes examples have in common and how the yes examples differ from the no examples. Students should generate an initial list of critical attributes of the concept. And number 4, provide more yes and no examples that students can use to test and refine their initial list of attributes. Number 5, as a whole class, review the yes and no examples and generate a final set of critical attributes. And finally, number 6, ask students to apply their understanding of the concept by creating a product or completing a task. How does it meet a variety of learners' needs? It involves students in their own learning instead of the teacher just delivering the information to them. For students who have a short attention span, it can be more captivating. It is a great strategy for visual and hands-on learners in that they are able to visualize the concept rather than having to listen to it being explained. It's like solving a mystery. The students are given a scenario and clues, and they must solve the mystery. It is obvious that this strategy is far more likely to engage students at all levels of learning than straightforward delivery of information. You may ask, why have I not heard of this strategy before? Well, it could be that you have never taken Mr. Tom Brady's EDCI 353 class.